Service goes to Ambasari, Captain Mohan. 1-2. Monu Singh score 2. Ambasari 1. Second match, Ambasari versus Monu Singh match. Home ground Ambasari. Yes. The impact player Banu. Ambasari's players. What a match. This is second match. 2-1. Monu Singh points 2. Ambasari 1. Match is running. What a match. Right, 2 equal. 2-2. 2 saman. Ambasari points 2 and Monu Singh points 2. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Ambasari's captains Mohan and Monu Singh captain Avinash. Avinash versus Mohan. Points are equal 2-2. What a match. What a match. Second match. Afternoon match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. What a taken, what a shot. Good match. Yes. Players are playing well. Ambasari players and Monu Singh players, two teams players playing well. Two. Monu Singh service. 2-2. Ambasari players Mohan, Suresh, Banu. What a playing. Yes. Second match. This is afternoon match. What a match. What a taken. Good match. 2-2. Points are equal. Match is running. Ambasari own ground. Ambasari grounds. This is Zaba volleyball. Match is running. 3-2. Service goes to Monu Singh. 3-2. Monu Singh points 3. Ambasari points 2. Match is running. What a match. This is afternoon match. Second match. Match is running. Good game. Good players. Monu Singh players and Ambasari players playing well. What a technique game. What a master game. Yes. What. Service goes to Monu Singh. Score 4-2. Monu Singh points 4 and Ambasari points 2. Match is running. What a shot. Yes. This goes to Ambasari player Suresh 2-4. Ambasari points 2. Monu Singh points 4. Match is running. What a game. The afternoon. Second match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. What a taken. What a shot. Two teams players are playing well. This is Zaba volleyball from Ambasari. This is home ground of Ambasari. Service goes to Monu Singh. 4-2 score. Monu Singh service. 4-2. 4-2. Ambasari points 2. Monu Singh points 4. As is running. What a placement. Good game. Good playing. What a players. Two teams are very good fight. This big game, Ambasari versus Monu Singh. This is second match, afternoon match. Monu Singh captain Avinash, Ambasari captains Mohan. Mohan versus Avinash. Yes. What a match. 2-4. Ambasari points 2. Monu Singh points 4. Match is running. What a match. This is powerful match. What a taken. What a match. What a technique. Good game. Good match. What a playing players. Ambasari players and Monu Singh players. Two team players are playing as well. Who is won? Which team is win? What a taken. Good game. Good match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. What a match. 2-4. 4-2. What a match. Afternoon match. Second match. Match is running. This is good game. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Very interesting game. Challenging game. Yes. Two teams are playing as well. Players are very effective players. Seniors or juniors commanding. Who is win? Very nice game. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Very interesting game. Players are playing as well. What a taken. What a shots. This is a Daba volleyball. Wow. What a place. Impact player by Banno. Yes. Good game. Good shots. Good takens. What a wonder. What a shot. What a match. The afternoon match, second match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Ambasari points 2. Monu Singh 4. Match is running. All players playing as well. Two teams. Very good teams. Two four. Service goes to Ambasari captain Mohan. Score 2-4. Ambasari points 2 and Monu Singh points 4. Match is running. Afternoon match, second match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. This is Ambasari one ground. What a shot. What a shot. Wow. It's imagine. Good game. What a shots. What a takens. Two team players. Very effective players. I think Monu Singh players and Ambasari players. All players playing as well. What a taken, what a taken, what a shot. 2-4. Ambazari 2 points. Monu Singh 4 points. Match is running. This is good game. Service goes to Monu Singh. 4-2. Monu Singh points 4. Ambazari points 2. What a match. This afternoon. What a match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. What a match. Good match. What a shot. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. This is second match. Weather is good. Ground is good. Match is very hot. Who is when? Waiting and watch. What a match. Yes, this afternoon second match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Ambazari points 2. Monu Singh points 4. Match is running. What a playing players. Yes. This is Raba volleyball from Ambazari. What a match. The afternoon match. Good match. Yes. Service goes to Ambazari. Ambazari points 2. Ambazari captain Mohan. Monu Singh captain Avinash. What a taken by Ambazari captain Mohan. Yes. Good game. Service goes to Monu Singh. Points 5-2. Monu Singh points 5. Ambazari 2. Match is running. What a shot. What a match. Ambazari